So let's start. Data. What is data, students? A data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. In short, you can say a data is a collection of information that you have. Okay. Now, we can calculate the data, the small data on your fingers, on your fingertips, on your calculators. But if we have a large number of datas, so how we would handle this? So for the large number of data, we use bar graphs, pie chart, pictograph and telemarks. So in this chapter, students, we will discuss all the mediums for calculate the large. So our first method to calculate the large data is your telemarks. So through telemarks, you can calculate a large data by using the lines. So for 1 you will draw 1 line, for 2 you will draw 2 lines, 3 for 3 straight lines, for 4 straight lines, for 5 draw first 4 straight lines and cut with a slanting line. This is a symbol for 5. For 6 you will add 1, for 7 you will add 2 in 5, for 8 you will add 3 in 5, for 9 you will add 4 in 9 and for 10 you will draw 2 5s. So you can write any number, any huge number by using the telemark. Our second method for calculating the large data is your pictograph. So what is pictograph, students? A pictograph represents data through pictures of objects. So it is a kind of a graph which predicts the data through pictures. So we have an example. So have a look. So we have a data of classes 5th, 6th and 7th through this pictograph. And now we have to calculate the total number of students present in the class 5th, 6th and 7th. So here this picture symbolizes for 2 students. It means if we have to find out the number of students in the class 5, so we have to calculate all the symbols 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8 students are there in our class 5th. For class 6th, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 multiplied by 2, 6 to the 12 students. And in class 7th, 1, 2, 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to there are only 6 students in class 7. Another method for large data. This is your bar graph. So what are bar graphs? Bar graphs are the pictorial representation of data in the form of vertical or horizontal rectangular bars. So in this kind of graphs, we have some pictures to represent the data and some rectangular bars which can be vertical or horizontal. So let's understand this with help of an example. So we have to draw a bar graph for the classes 5th, 6th and 7th, and we have our data that in class 5th there are 10 students, in class 6th there are 15 students and in class 7th there are 20 students at all. So we have to draw in this graph. Now we are taking 5th, 6th and 7th as classes. And 0 to 5, 10, 15, 20, this is said to be a unit scale, and one unit scale is equals to 5 students. It means we gap of 5 students in each scale. Now, so in class 5 there are 10 students, so we will draw 10 in a rectangular bar. So we will draw 10 students with the help of this rectangular bar, and this rectangular bar is vertical in. Now for 6th class we have 15 students. So 15 students is here. Now this is a graph for 15 students, and for class 7 we have 20 students. So we will make a rectangular bar in the front of 20. These rectangular bars should be in same size. Okay. So that